Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamualaikum everyone. Thanks God we meet again actually in this opportunity. God still gives us kind of change, kind of opportunity too for doing kind of goodness, right? And especially in this morning or in this occasion, so right, exactly, we are going to be continuing about jurisprudence of law in Islam. Still connect with one book. We are focusing or discussing about one book, right? Exactly, jurisprudence of law in Islam. And some students in my pesantren call this book with Vicky, right? So in this chapter, we are going to be continuing about the chapter before. In the chapter that we were learning is telling us about asbabus sujudi sahwi arba'atun, etc. And in this morning or in this opportunity, the chapter which is going to be learned is telling us about aba'atu sholati sab'atun. So what does these chapters look like? So let's get started. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qala al-mu'allif rahimahullahu ta'ala wa nafa'ana bihi wa bi'ulumihi fid dharaini amin rabbi yasir wa'in. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Faslun, new chapter or new sections. Ab'adu sholati sab'atun at-tashahhudu al-awwalu ila akhirih. Faslun, new chapter or new sections. This is actually every single faslun will be bringing the new chapter, right? So when I am saying faslun, this is automatically can means that these chapters is new or new content of jurisprudence of law in Islam. Faslun, new chapter or new sections. Ab'adu solati, these chapters exactly telling us about ab'adu solat, right? Ab'adu solati, some of ab'adu solat, some of sunnah ab'ad in solat, right? So exactly we are discussing about ab'adu solat. How many kinds of ab'adu solat? Ab'adu solati, some of sunnah ab'ad, sab'atun, there are seven, right? Exactly, we have seven parts, seven items or seven things in sunnah, or seven things which is including as a content from sunnah ab'ad. So what are they? First or number one, at-tashahudu al-awalu. First content from sunnah ab'ad, at-tashahudu al-awalu. We have to be spelling tashahud, sentence of tashahud. The sentence of tashahuds are like this. When we are trying to be sounding the sentences of tashahud is like at-tahiyyatul mubarakatus sholawatut thayyibatulillah, etc. Right? This is actually the sentence of tashahud. And tashahud awal, or the first tashahud in this case, is going to be number one of content from sunnah ab'ad, right? This is content number one. And then what is the next? Or content number two, wa qu'uduhu, and also sitting down when we are doing tashahuds, right? While in other side we are doing or spelling tashahud, the sentence of tashahud, at-tahiyyatul mubarakatus, etc. While we are doing this, also we have to be sitting down while we are pronouncing or spelling tashahud, right? So qu'ud, sitting down, and spelling the sentence of tashahud, both of them are one packet, or is like called by a couple of one packet, right? And then what is the next? Wassolatu ala nabiyyi sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Number the next, or the contents in the next, wassolatu, we have to be spelling solawat. We have to be spelling solawat, or peace be upon, right? To whom? Ala Nabi, to our Prophet Muhammad, or to the last messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The next content of ab'adu solat is we have to be spelling solawat. To whom? We have to be spelling solawat to the last messenger. He is our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Fihi, in this tashahud. So that why when we are doing tashahud, automatically we have to be spelling two on the first, while we are spelling tashahud at-tahiyyat, and in order that we have to be spelling two as-salawat ala nabi. It's sounding like Allahumma sholli ala Muhammad, right? Both of them are kind of contents from ab'atus sholah or contents from sunnah ab'at in sholat, right? Fihi, in this tasahud. Wasolatu, and the next content, wasolatu, and also we have to be spelling solawat to alal ali, to his family. His family means a prophet family. In other side, we have to be spelling solawat to our prophet Muhammad, and one side again, we have to be spelling to solawat to the prophet Muhammad family, right? Wa ala ali. In where we have to be spelling a solawat to his family, fit tashahudi al-akhiri, when we are doing tashahud akhir, right? In the first tashahud, we are only spelling solawat only or specially to the Prophet Muhammad, but in the tashahud akhir, we have to be spelling solawat to his family too, right? And then what is the contents, the next content, I mean, wal kunutu, and we have to be spelling kunut, right? Kunut can means one ritual spelling when we are exactly doing sholat subuh, right? When we are doing sholat subuh, automatically as a Muslim, we have to be doing what the meaning of kunut, right? So kunut in this case is categories from sunnah ab'ad too. Wa qiyamuhu, and also we have to be standing up when we are spelling praying of kunut, right? And then what is the next? Was solatu, and also when we are spelling kunut, also we have to be spelling was solatu. We have to be spelling solawat, right? Solawat, and also wassalamu, and also salam, or the pieces ala nabi, to whom, ala nabi, to the special one, he is our Prophet Muhammad, ala Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam, peace be always be him. And then wa alihi, and also we have to be spelling salawat and salam to his family when we are spelling kunut too, wa sobihi, and also to his friends, fihi, when we are doing kunut, right? Faslun tabtulu as-salatu bi arba'a asyrota wa mu'alam bisawaf.